Hi, I am Subhashini with 2 decades of experience turning data into ROI boosting business solutions. Today, let's dive into fintech, a field that's not just disrupting finance but completely redefining it. Fintech stands for financial technology, and it's all about blending cutting edge tech with financial services to make money management faster, smarter, and more accessible. Think digital wallets, robo-advisors, blockchain, and AI-powered lending platforms. The ecosystem is buzzing with players. You've got public and private banks, global giants like Citibank and HSBC, regulators like the RBI, and a new wave of fintech innovators, Razorpay, Paytm, Zerodha, plus digital distributors like Paisabazaar. Fintech has evolved in 4 distinct phases. It started with infrastructure. ATMs, telex, telegraphic transfers. Then came early digitization, remember SWIFT, and the dawn of internet banking. Next, mobile-first disruption, UPI, neobanks and payments at the tap of a finger. And now we're in FinTech 4.0, AI-driven credit, embedded finance, tokenization, where almost every financial touchpoint gets smarter and more seamless. India's FinTech story is unique. With foundations like Aadhaar, Jan Dhan and UPI, India has leapfrogged into global fintech leadership. But it's not just about technology, it's about access. Take M-Pesa in Kenya or India's Jio Revolution. Cheap data and rapid mobile adoption cracked open financial inclusion for millions. Open banking, where banks share data securely with fintechs via APIs, has turbocharged innovation, making everything from instant payments to hyper-personalized advice possible. Fintech has flipped traditional finance on its head. 3 transformations define this shift. First, access and experience. Opening an account, sending money abroad, or taking a loan can all happen from your phone with apps like PhonePe or CreditBee. Second, power to individuals. Robo-advisors and zero-commission trading. Think Grove and Zerodha let anyone manage investments, no banker required. And third, cutting out the middleman. Platforms like Razorpay and Akko lower costs and streamline services by connecting you directly to what you need. Globally, fintech is driving inclusion and growth. Unbanked populations get access to savings and credit. Small businesses can manage working capital or payroll with just a few clicks. Cross-border payments are quicker and cheaper. Even governments rely on fintech for efficient welfare delivery, and central banks are exploring digital currencies. So, as MBA students and future leaders, understanding fintech's tech, regulatory and economic forces isn't just good to know, it's essential for building tomorrow's financial solutions. Fintech is more than a buzzword. It's the backbone of inclusive digital economic growth. The future of finance, it's already here, and it's powered by innovation.